Hey guys, and welcome back to VolatilityTV here. I just wanted to do a quick video here showing you guys how today is just not a good day for every ThinkorSwim user, because the platform has been messing up big time. As soon as the market opened, my desktop platform it just stopped working, and a lot of people just started complaining about it because it's just a lot of issues. Even for me right now, the chart it just says loading, but before, as soon as you log off and you try to log back in, you're unable to log in. You're getting this message. Today's just a bad day for every ThinkorSwim user. So hopefully TD Ameritrade fixes that problem. And as of today, I actually traded on my ThinkorSwim mobile platform. So on my phone, I actually executed trades, and I can show you my positions right here. So I actually profited $204 on the day, and it's just crazy because I knew today would have been a really big gainer day today. So unfortunately, you gotta work with whatever you have. So so I just made quick 200 and I just called it a day, and we'll see what tomorrow brings. And hopefully TD Ameritrade fixes this issue, because it's so ridiculous. Like a huge platform and a huge corporation that they are, something like this isn't supposed to happen, especially at the opening bell. Are you guys still having issues with it? It's currently 1 o'clock right now. It's currently 1 o'clock, and there's still a lot of people complaining right now. It's pretty much I just gotta leave a lot of money on the table, because it's just going up. There's definitely plays that I would have been able to take had the platform been working well. However, even though it's still a green day for me, just call it a day, and we'll see what happens. So let me know in the comment section down below, how are you guys doing? Hopefully you didn't lose any money because of this issue, because this is so ridiculous. I know a lot of people are probably gonna go to like class action lawsuits, and because a lot of money was lost as soon as the opening bell. It's just people just couldn't sell out of their positions, and it's crazy. So did you actually use the mobile platform like I did? Let me know in the comment section down below. So I just want to make a quick video just telling you guys about this issue, and just keep it, try to keep it green, and try to stay away from trading today if you can. Literally you can see the prices are going up, and it's just hard to watch. Just leaving a lot of money on the table. So that's pretty much my video. If you like this video, smash that like button, hit that notification bell, man, all that good stuff, man. You know what to do. This is YouTube, man. You know what to do. Peace.